Hello guys, I'm Winter and today I'm gonna make a tteokbokki. So first you gotta add 300 milliliter of the water and 1 spoon of the red pepper paste that you can buy from the Asian market. So it's not spicy at all, but it's kind of sweet and spicy. So you gotta mix well so it doesn't have a big chunk. And now you gotta add 1 spoon of the red pepper. So this red pepper actually make food spicy. So if you cannot eat spicy food, just add half, or if you like spicy food, you can add more. Now you gotta add 3 spoons of the sugar. So you gotta make a little bit sweet. So 3 spoons and 2 spoons of the soy sauce. So that's done for the sauce. Now you just have to add rice cake. So I added 300 grams of the rice cake, and you gotta add some veggies. So half onion and half green onion. That's really perfect match. So well, now I add 150 grams of the fish cake. That's like perfect balance. So now you just have to wait for the food to be cooked. So it usually takes about 5 minutes. So you gotta make a low fire, then just wait for 5 minutes so those can go into the rice cake and fish cakes and vegetables. So as it goes, it's getting more spicy. So the smell was perfect. The color is like perfect with the green onion. It's like red and green and white. But you gotta mix well so it doesn't stick on the pan. Now it's time for the eat. So rice cake, fish cakes, and vegetables. Okay, rice cake first. It's like perfect, sweet, spicy. And fish cake. I love fish cake a lot, so it's my favorite part. Alright, so thanks for watching me today, and I hope you guys try. It's so good. So try it with your friends or family.